thunderstorm is showing signs of producing a tornado. This storm was located near Freeland Park and also moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Roswell around 12:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Fowler and Oxford around 12:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Swainington, Dunnington, Ambia, Templeton, and Wadena. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from